Hi everyone, Ken LaRue from Autodesk. When it comes to finishing your content, the Flame family provides great collaborative workflows. Flame is often the central hub of the production, enabling conform to assembling timelines, distributing shots through the rest of your team, taking on VFX shots using Flame's fast and interactive creative tools, and bringing all the artists back together with powerful versioning and management tools. With this workflow, Flame is a fantastic choice to run and maintain your collaborative production workflows. Traditionally, these collaborative workflows may have been achieved with direct attached storage, network attached storage, or even a centralized SAN. This ensures high bandwidth for high quality formats and in some cases required media duplication to ensure the maximum performance with locally attached storage. Using LucidLink Filespaces with Flame in a collaborative environment removes the need to share or manage large media files and sequences with your team using a file sharing service. And LucidLink is available on Linux, Mac OS, and Windows, allowing for very flexible collaborative workflows. There is no need to copy any media, as all artists work from the same file space, even with high-quality media. Let's take a brief look at the workflow. So for the first step, let's build our initial production in Flame. Flame's timeline tools allow you to build, fix, or make timing changes as needed. You could also conform to rebuild a sequence from another NLE linked to the high-quality media. In either case, Flame accesses your content from LucidLink's file space, and it is presented like any drive attached to your system. In terms of performance and interactivity, LucidLink will only transfer the required data blocks to your system regardless of where you are as you work through various shots. So media does not need to be downloaded at all in order to start working. This is based on the maximum speed of your internet connection. Now, once the edited sequence has been refined and prepped, the shots can be published and distributed to other artists. Using Flame's publishing tools, Flame will create all necessary folder structures, metadata, and media where necessary in order to work together with other Flame family products or even third-party applications. Flame also creates a new sequence which is monitoring all distributed shots for any incoming or updated version of your shot. The key point is that all relevant data is exported to LucidLink Filespace. And you have a single set of data, which is your single source of truth. Now, the LucidLink Filespace can be shared locally within your facility or remotely to any location. So any artist has the ability to collaborate on your production. For example, this flare is at another location, and it can see the same LucidLink file space with matching data set. This means that artist can start working on their assigned shots, and they'll only pull the data required for the relevant work. So the flare artist will create multiple versions and render them back to the LucidLink file space. When this process is complete, all other workspaces, including Flame, will have access to these versions, and the new versions can be updated in the timeline. Returning to Flame, which is the central hub of your production, you will note that Flame has immediate access to the new versions of your shots. And since you're using a single location like LucidLink Filespace, any new versions of your shots are made available to Flame right away. Using the Flame family products, it is also possible to open a shot that has been worked on remotely and modify the composition in order to create a newer version of the shot. Once again, this gets rendered back to LucidLink Filespace, and anyone can access these modifications if more collaborative work is required. Expand your collaborative creative workflows with Flame as your finishing hub and leveraging LucidLink as your collaborative storage partner. Thanks for watching.